Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to verify Facebook business page. First, you'll have to open your Facebook profile or Facebook page, whatever you have. Then you have to go to the top right corner, then click on this right here and choose help and support. And after that, you'll have to go to help center right here. Then here it will show you this page. Now you have to search for verify. So I'm gonna type verify, then click on enter. And here you will find many options, but what you should do is to simply search for how do I verify Facebook page. So I'm gonna click on this option right here. Then here it will show you this page, and you should scroll down till you find here this sentence. You can also apply for the verified badge for a profile or page. Then here you will find this button, fill in this form. You have to click on it, then it will jump you directly to this page. Now you have to fill in all of this information. They will ask you about what are you verifying, is it a profile or page. So I'm gonna choose profile here for example, but if you have a business account, you'll click on page. Then you should select the page like this, then choose the document type that you will support. Then you will have to click on this button in order to upload the files that approve your business. Then you will have to choose the category of your business, enter the country or the region, audience, and this is optional, and add up all the social media accounts that is related to your business. And after that, click on send, and this request will be reviewed by one of Facebook support representatives. And after that, you'll get the approval if everything is doing right. And you need to know that there are some requirements to be eligible. Your Facebook page have to be authentic, complete, unique, and notable. So you need to put that in mind. And after the approval, a verified badge will be displayed beside your profile name or your page name. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.